threatened by the modern?
There's no contradiction between the modern age. He deals with the wind. He deals with the wind. And he controls the wind. Okay?
Travel, our movement of the star, the moon, and the sun.
And when I travel, I look at the movement of the sun, the moon, and the star, and that indicates where to go. So the power, the ancient power, is still there intact.
Not for the first time, I was struck by the power of music and dance as vital expressions of African culture. Even the Uni, the king of all the Yorubas, had to obey the rhythm of the drummers. Not only of the Yorubas in Yoruba land, but Yorubas worldwide, and frequently travels to see his scattered people.
Well, you know that you're from Jamaica yourself. Yes,
Prime Minister.
Yes, your Prime Minister happens to be my friend, and I was there as well.
Ambassador won't be so close,
The ambassador of Jamaica is very close to me, and I'm likely to go there anytime from now.
And may I ask, Your Highness, did you see any similarities between the culture of the people in Jamaica and those of the Yoruba people?
Not only culture, as our land is here, it is there as well.
Whether she keep tradition
and they still keep the Yoruba tradition intact.
And culture.
And culture. Yoruba culture and tradition. And when I get there, they all recall that their father has come.